Hey, I'm Steven Sashen from ZeroShoes.com. I'm in the consumer product space. Obviously, we sell footwear. I'm giving it a solid 9 with a bullet. If you're going to be in the internet marketing biz or selling products, you don't want it all to be your effort that's doing all the heavy lifting. You want to be able to enlist a bunch of people who believe in what you're doing, who can help. And those are, of course, called affiliates. And so Post Affiliate Pro is the tool that we use to manage our affiliate program. So my favorite thing about Post Affiliate Pro is that I control it. It's a self-managed program. By the way, if you want them to install it for you, if you think that's complicated, they can do that for a small fee. But I'm the one managing everything. But within all of that, there's one feature that I adore. It's a thing called direct linking. And this is going to get a little technical, but here's the gist. When affiliates register their domain, not like a Facebook page or something, but they're an actual website that they control with Post Affiliate Pro, they can use just a regular link of any sort to any page on your website, and Post Affiliate Pro recognizes where that click came from and automatically assigns that visitor to that affiliate account. So it makes it super, super easy for affiliates to get started without having to learn codes or figure out how to embed things. I mean, it's just a really easy process. My least favorite thing about Post Affiliate Pro, the reason I give it a 9 and not a 10, is that there's two versions of Post Affiliate Pro. The self-hosted version where you buy it and you put it on your server and you manage that, and the software as a service version where it's all on their side, which means you get free updates and free updates and automatic updates. But that difference is why I went for a 9, because originally I had the self-hosted version, and when traffic got to be really, really heavy, it would crash my server. So I moved over to the software as a service version because it's more robust. And again, all the updates happen automatically, but it's costing me more money to do that. So I miss spending less money. When you're considering Post Affiliate Pro or any affiliate software, you want to make sure that it integrates nicely with your e-commerce platform. So that's a big thing to check. We're a WooCommerce shop, and we can put the code in manually and control it that way, or there's a WooCommerce plugin that works as well. So that's the really critical thing. You want to make sure that it's as seamless as possible, so you're not having to look up data in multiple places, or if you're processing a return, have to go in and manually update things in your affiliate software to make sure people aren't getting overpaid.
Hey everybody, my name is Greg. I am the president of Superbables. We're a small batch CBD oil company here in New York. We use Post Affiliate Pro for our affiliate marketing program, and it's been amazing since the beginning. So I give it 10 stars out of 10. So we use Post Affiliate Pro for our affiliate marketing program for our CBD oil company. And a lot of plugins or affiliate marketing websites that we seem to have found didn't work well with setting up coupon codes. So Post Affiliate Pro has that option, and it's pretty streamlined well, where we could set up a coupon code for each affiliate, and for 15% off your first purchase, then that person is always tied to that affiliate. Well, what I like about Post Affiliate Pro, I mean, their customer service, for one, has been amazing since day one. And, I'm not someone I am tech savvy when it comes to setting up the website part and the plugins. I'm not, and they've always been there. But as far as the product itself, it's all very streamlined and set up so easily to where, I could set up commissions and pay them, and to where my coupon codes are listed. Everything is just perfectly set up. There's really no problems at all. So it works out perfectly. So as far as what I dislike, I mean, we had some, there were little problems at first, but nothing major. Since we've been set up for, it's probably been about 2 years now, and while at first things did pop up that had to be taken care of and things coded and things like that, but there really hasn't been any problems since then. It's just it is pricey, that's for one, but other than that, it's well worth it if you have a great affiliate program set up that offsets that. So I would recommend using this software because it works, and for someone who just isn't so tech savvy and doesn't, want to go behind the scenes and set up all this, it's all set up for you. It's done for you. It really is. And it's just a couple of steps when somebody joins as an affiliate. And, if you want to use the coupon code feature or not, it's really easy to use. I really suggest using it and not just giving someone a link an affiliate link for them to give out to people. So for us, we set up 15% off coupon off your first purchase, and it's always tied to that affiliate, so we never have to worry again.
An affiliate program is one of the best advertising tools available on the market. It's a win-win for both sides. Both the affiliates and merchants involved in the program have a strong incentive. In the last few years, affiliate marketing has grown rapidly. Many new affiliate programs and networks have been established. But if you expect to bank $1 million in a week, forget about it. You're not going to grow your brand and increase your company's profit overnight. It takes time, but it's definitely worth building your circuit of affiliates. Keep in mind that good results are up to your affiliates, so your main goal should be to find the good ones that will help you promote your business. Affiliates can be anyone: bloggers, YouTubers, friends on social media. They will share your affiliate link and make a commission every time someone clicks their affiliate link and purchases your product or service. How does an affiliate program work? You only pay for the performance of your affiliates. That's why affiliate marketing is known as performance marketing. Prepare an attractive offer, high commission for sale, find affiliates, and let your affiliate software track all clicks, sales, and automatically calculate commissions for each affiliate. Sit back and watch your company's revenue grow. The benefits of affiliate marketing: low starting and operational costs, more sales, extra free traffic, increase of SEO ranking, no risk marketing, cost effective. You are in control. No need to employ huge sales staff, easy tracking and transparency. If you're ready to create your own affiliate program, Post Affiliate Pro might help you. Post Affiliate Pro is the most reviewed and #1 rated affiliate software based on 400 plus reviews on 3 independent software marketplaces and review platforms. Why is Post Affiliate Pro voted the best affiliate software? Increase in sales by 27%. Improves SEO rankings. Easy, fast, and free setup. Free 24/7 customer support. 100% stability and tracking. Cloud-based with free lifetime updates. Low monthly fee. Infinitely expandable and scalable. Unique tracking features. 170 plus ready-made integrations. Since 2005 on the market. Increase sales and let your business grow. Start your own affiliate program now. www.postaffiliatepro.com